Why try therapy? Well, there are two primary reasons. One has to do with the therapeutic relationship, and the other is the expertise of your therapist. The therapeutic relationship is all about you. Yeah, you have family and friends, and they're going to listen to you and help you talk through your problems. But when you set aside an hour each week, you are the sole focus of somebody else's concentrated attention, and that is healing in and of itself. Then there's the expertise of your therapist. It is not easy to become a licensed professional. We spend years and years learning how to listen, learning how to see patterns in things, learning how to help you find meanings that you might not find on your own. And besides, your friends probably don't understand the intrinsic psychodynamic malfunctions of your current manifestations, right? Come on in. It works.